Welcome to Fayetteville, North Carolina. This home sits on one of the most walkable, charming streets, and it has no HOA. Today, I want to share with you my newest listing. This home features an incredible wraparound porch, fenced-in yard, and is a close vicinity to downtown Fayetteville. This area has such a cozy, welcoming vibe, and it's not just the street that feels special. Inside this home, you'll find so much character, natural light, and thoughtful details that make everyday living feel easy and peaceful. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and is just under 1,800 square feet. As you step into the living room, you'll notice the beautiful brick-facing, wood-burning fireplace, fantastic trim work, and your sliding glass door that opens up to your beautiful backyard. The backyard is already fenced in, which is perfect for your furry friends, and it gets a lot of natural light, which is awesome for your vegetable garden or plants. One of the things that I love about this home is that it has a spacious 2-car garage, which is perfect for storage or for a gym. Your first floor features a beautiful dining room with LVP flooring that flows directly into your kitchen. Your kitchen features beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample storage space. Also downstairs, you'll find a beautiful remodeled half bath. Upstairs is where you will find your sizable primary bedroom with a his and hers closet. You will also find upstairs 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. And let's talk about downtown. Only 10 minutes away and totally up and coming. You've got cute shops, unique local restaurants, a weekend farmers market, seasonal festivals, a vintage movie theater, craft coffee spots, and even a brewery. If you are interested in learning more information on this charming home in an amazing location, then reach out to the Coley Group today.